Good morning. Welcome to your 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. Mostly cloudy and warm morning out there with temperatures around 81 degrees. We did see that broken deck at 11,000 break up a bit, sitting at a scattered deck now, and our ceilings have risen to 25,000 feet. Otherwise, light east wind around 5 knots, and we do have a chance for some pop-up showers in the region today. If we take a look at the current surface analysis, we do have this boundary that's continuing to settle up over the region, keeping the area disturbed, particularly to the south, where we see that area of some showers and thunderstorms off the coast. Otherwise, also bringing us a chance of seeing some pop-up showers and storms as we go throughout our day today. Looking at the upper level winds from this morning's balloon sounding, we do have easterly winds near the surface, becoming more southwesterly as we go up through the column, with a peak wind of 44 knots at 25,000 feet. Freezing level is at 12,500 feet. Taking a look at the local radar, we do see a few light showers to the north, pushing out of Salisbury and east towards Ocean City. Otherwise, do see some hints at a couple little spots initiating around Princess Anne, so we'll be keeping an eye on those. Otherwise, much of the shower activity is well off to the south. Looking at the local visible satellite, we see where that boundary is set up over the area, keeping things mostly cloudy throughout the Wallops region, and will continue to do so as we go throughout much of the day today. Otherwise, winds are fairly light throughout the region as well. Looking at short-term high-resolution model, see how things play out today. I have a slight chance of seeing a few things get going this morning, but the better chance will start as we get into the afternoon and get some of that daytime heating. Could see the majority of this activity stay to the north of Wallops, but still can't rule out a chance of seeing a shower or thunderstorm pushing through the area. And then as we get into the evening, we should see things start to dry out. Maybe some of the cloud material break up a bit before we get into our Saturday. And Saturday is going to be another chance of seeing some afternoon pop-up showers and thunderstorms. You could see those become scattered, more scattered in nature as later in the evening, as they start to become more widespread and pushing through the area into the evening hours and overnight. And then we should see those push out of there by the late morning hours on Sunday, before we'll see another chance of some pop-up showers. Zooming out and looking at the long-term model again, some indication we'll see some possible pop-up showers in the afternoon on Sunday, and then we'll see things dry out for just a moment before we get into our Monday, where we'll have a pretty decent chance of seeing some showers and storms move through the area with this boundary that pushes through, and then things will get a break from the wet weather as we get into our Tuesday and Wednesday, becoming partly cloudy for those 2 days. Can't rule out a slight chance of seeing maybe some pop-up shower in the area, but nothing too widespread or significant. And then again, remaining mostly dry until we get into our Thursday, as another system moves across the area to the north and drops in another boundary that will bring us a decent chance for seeing some more widespread showers and thunderstorms as we go into the PM hours on Thursday and into Friday before that pushes out. And depending on how or where that boundary stalls after that system moves through will kind of dictate how our weather looks for the next weekend. So if we take a look at the 24-hour weather risk, we do have the yellow risk for precip and lightning as we go throughout the day and into the midnight hour today. Again, starting off about 20% chance this morning, and then bumping up to a 40% chance as we get into the afternoon hours. Again, once we see more of that heating move into the area. That continues up until the 20 local time, where it drops down to about a 20% chance until midnight. Expecting highs in the low 80s as we go throughout the day today. Again, temperature right now is at 81, so could see a couple ticks above 82 as we get into the afternoon. Otherwise, winds staying east, becoming more southeasterly as we get into the afternoon, picking up a little bit and then becoming more southerly as we go into the overnight hours and becoming fairly light in the early morning hours for Saturday, with seeing a low of 71 for our Saturday morning. We do have yellow for the time frame after midnight, as there is a chance we could see some low clouds settle into the area overnight, and with the light winds, slight chance of maybe even seeing some patchy fog in the area as well. Otherwise, tides are running normal at the moment, and looking at the weekend forecast, Saturday, another partly to mostly cloudy day, warm and humid, and we'll have a chance for those pop-up showers and thunderstorms again in the afternoon, possibly becoming more scattered in nature as we get into the evening hours and into the first part of the overnight hours. Then we'll see things dry out a bit. Expecting a high of 84 for our Saturday, a low of 70 Saturday evening. We do have those yellow for preset lightning for both time frames, as well as our Sunday, as we will start off mostly cloudy, then possibly becoming partly cloudy and keeping a slight chance of seeing some pop-up showers and thunderstorms during the afternoon for our Sunday, with that heat and humidity expecting a high of 85. Otherwise, slightly breezy as we get into the afternoon hours as well. Looking at the extended forecast, see things cool down to 75 as we go into the evening hours Sunday, and then for Monday we'll have that boundary moving through, bringing us a decent chance of seeing some more widespread showers and thunderstorms during the PM hours Monday and into the evening, giving about a 50% chance at the moment. High of 87 for our Monday. Morning on Tuesday, we'll see a low of 74, and then as we go throughout Tuesday, we should see things remain mostly dry and starting to warm up quite a bit with a high of 88. And as we go into Tuesday evening, expecting a low of 75, and then we'll really see the heat start to build as we get into the middle of the week. Wednesday, expecting a high of around 91, so a pretty hot and humid day. Otherwise partly cloudy. Can't rule out a slight chance of seeing maybe a pop-up shower in the area with that heat and humidity, particularly along the sea breeze, but otherwise partly cloudy. As we go into the evening, expecting a low of 76, and then Thursday we see that next disturbance moving into the area, bringing us a chance for seeing some more widespread to scattered showers and thunderstorms. Right now, looking at about a 30% chance, depending due to the lead time on this forecast, and we'll see how things come together as we start next week. Well, that will wrap up the 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. We'll be back again Monday at 8:15 and 10 a.m. Otherwise, enjoy the rest of your day and enjoy your weekend.